Pour 100 grams of sugar and 100 grams of margarine and mix. Add 100 grams of flour into the bowl, stir. Add 50 grams of blended chickpea paste. Add 1 egg and mix. Sprinkle flour, knead into a dough. Place dough on flat surface, sprinkle some flour, and knead on flat surface. Continue kneading by adding small bits of flour and rolling the dough. Use a rolling pin, flatten the dough until smooth. Grease the baking dish. Spread flour evenly. Use rolling pin to lay flattened dough over the baking dish. Use hands to press and shape. Cut excess dough around the dish. Use fork to perforate, allowing airflow while baking. Place baking sheet inside and cut off excess. Add chickpeas for blind baking technique. Place in oven for 40 minutes. Mix custard powder with boiled water and milk. Pour into baked shell. Sprinkle groundnuts on the top. Oven-ready chickpea and groundnut flan.